Today I'm going to show you how to make butterfly using paper. This is very easy. What you will need is just colored paper and pipe cleaner or yarn or string and scissors. First, what you're going to do is to fold your paper. You're going to make a square paper. Fold it this way. Cut it to make a square paper. After that, you're going to make two rectangles. Fold it in half. Cut it again. Be careful not to cut your hand. Right. So this one, you are going to fold it in half one more time. Fold it nicely. In order to form these pointed wings, what you're going to do is to fold at the edge of this part of the paper and then fold it the other side. Now go to the next side of your paper, fold it this way. Okay, so you should have this. Now you're going to start folding your paper this way. Just watch closely so you know what to do. Alright. Now do it on the other side. There. After folding it will look like this. Small leaf with pointed edges. Now you're going to fold it again in half. So you have the butterfly wing. Now let's move on to the next butterfly wing. Still, you're going to fold it alternately. Flip it, fold, flip, fold, flip. You do it until you reach the edge of the paper. And that's it. It will look like this. After that, fold it in half again. There. So you have this one, this is the upper part, and this is the lower part. The next thing you're going to do is get your pipe cleaner or yarn. You're going to tie it in the middle. One. Cut. And it will look like this. Have to tighten it. There. Beautiful butterfly. Now please practice it at home. It's easy.